Need to pack this. Oh, can't forget this. Our mental health toolkit is packed and Happy Not Perfect is ready to hit the road with Graduate Hotels. Let's be real, college can be stressful. New classes, new places, new people. But with the right mental health tools, you can be ready to deal with whatever comes your way. To help you start the new school year with less stress, we're taking our tools on the road and bringing them to you for our Mind Your Mind tour. This fall, we'll be visiting college towns across the country. At each tour stop, we'll take you through our signature happiness workout. Deep breathing. Taking stock of the good stuff. Learning to let go. Teaching you tools to build a daily mindfulness practice. So grab your friends and meet us at Graduate Hotels. Your mind is powerful, so learn to take care of it on us.